If you are unable to use your France 24 News app because maybe the app is crashing or it is too slow or it can't open, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix France 24 News app not working. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. In the first method, we need to access the app info page to clear the app data. So to do this, just long press on your app and then you should see app info. But depending on your phone, this might be missing, but you should have a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of the above to access app info page. At this point, you can see we have an option to clear data here. If I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data used and stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So when cache data accumulates, this might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then clear cache and OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been wiped out. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and now open your app and it should be working. In most cases, this should be able to fix most of the challenges. However, if you're still experiencing any problem, then go further to this app info page and this time around, again, tap on clear data and choose the first option, clear all data and OK. Now at this point, your app should be up and running without any issue. However, if the problem still persists, then you need to go ahead and search for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if you have an update, then update your app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest version of this app and also of this app that is supported. However, if this does not work, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app and install it afresh. This is more especially so if your app keeps on crashing. By doing so, now you'll be able to fix or remove all bugs that might be associated with France 24 News app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.